Hey everyone, if you're watching this video, I assume you read my blog, sorry, because I am making a Raspberry Pi Wi-Fi hotspot honeypot, nice rhyme, and it's a lot of fun. And for this part I didn't want to write anything because I think it's nonsense to do that. If you look at the pictures and what I've wrote, you can you would notice that I've bought a Wi-Fi adapter. Let's check. It's from Logitech, and it's USB Wi-Fi. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to set this up on your Raspberry Pi. I assume that you have a SSH connection to your Raspberry Pi. So, yeah, let's go. While starting the SSH, if you have any problems with doing this yourself, you can contact me. I'll link my blog under this video, and I will also link my Facebook and LinkedIn account. Okay, so we have our Raspberry Pi going here. I wanted to tell you it's important that you already inject the USB-Wifi-Adapter and then boot your Raspberry Pi. The system I have installed on my Raspberry Pi is Raspbian. Start off, I don't know how far you've got, please apt, of course you have to be admin, so sudo sudo bash will make it admin. Maybe you might have to type in the password. Now I'm root, so I don't have to type sudo each time and type in the password. So please start off with apt-get update and apt-get upgrade. If you know what you're doing and you already did that, or you don't, if you think you don't need it, then go ahead with the rest. Okay, now we go on with installing apt-get install VPA supplicant. VPA supplicant, WPASUPPLICANT. The next thing, and the only thing I had to install, was links. Now please check if your Wi-Fi adapter was detected with LSUSB. And we've got our wireless adapter here. Let's check if it was found, if config. We've got the F0 connection. This is my LAN, and yep, I've got a WLAN 0 connection. For me it's already set up. For you it might look a bit different. Maybe you don't have an IP address. Obviously if you didn't input a password. What we will do now, to do that, type in nano or v, what you like, if you know what you're doing, etc/network/interfaces, and here we go. If you have anything already in here, delete everything except the auto LO and the iFace LO init loopback and iFace F0 init DHCP. You need that, or else you won't be able to log in over SSH, because the thing Raspberry Pi won't get internet over your LAN 0. No, F0. Yeah. These are the lines I added. It's auto WLAN 0. Let's see if I can zoom in. Can I zoom in? No, I can't. Okay, auto AUTO space WLAN 0. Next line is iFace WLAN 0 iNet DHCP iFace IFACE space WLAN 0 space iNet is INET space and then DHCP. Next line is VPA minus conf space and then where you have your VPA configuration file. I hope you have a VPA, or else, I don't know, get a hobby and don't have VPA. That's, yeah. VPA minus conf space /etc/vpa.conf is where I have my file, and I strongly suggest that. 2. Save string O, hit enter, string X to close it. Okay, now I cleared with clear. Now go into the VPA config file, nano/etc/vpa.conf, please. Okay, good, that took a while. Usually doesn't take that long. And now add this. Network equals, then curly brackets open. Next line, take a tab in, SSID equals to quotation marks, then the SSID of your Wi-Fi access point. It's the name that shows up normally on Windows, for example, if you search for wireless networks in the area. Then closing quotation mark. Next line, key, KEY, line on the bottom, MGMT equals VPA minus PSK. VPA and PSK are written big. Next line, PSK equals to quotation mark starting, then the password of your wireless access point and closing quotation marks, and then a closing curly brackets to end it all. Now again, string O, enter, string X, closing. Final step, if up WLAN 0, interface will already configured. Nice, running already. Check it if config WLAN 0 running. I've got IP address. Good. Watch out. What I just noticed is because of you, I didn't want to show you my password, so I took it out. This doesn't mean that you're logged in. Probably it means that you're logged into the access point. Make sure your username and password is correct if it shows up like this, but it doesn't work. To finally test your internet connection, I would just say you can ping Google, but that means that you would need to be out of your LAN. So if you aren't, disconnect your LAN, connect your Raspberry Pi to a desktop and a keyboard, and just try out to ping Google over your Wi-Fi. And now, very hot, nice thing I like. This is why we installed links, and let's say RaspberryPi.org, and we have a super sexy website. Isn't that great? Okay, this looks horrible, but looks kind of techy, so what looks techy is good, right? Okay, let's close this, clear it, and we're done here. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, contact me. My contact data is below.